D major to A minor. We have another finger to add here. We're just taking that third finger. That third finger gets transplanted from the 3rd fret of the 5th string over here to the 2nd fret of the G string, or the 3rd string. Here we go. 1, 2, ready, go. C major, 2, 3. Now get to A minor. 2, 3. C major again. C major, good. A minor. 2, 3. C major. 2, 3. Get ready for A minor. 2, 3, 4. C major. You want to let that chord ring out for as much as you can. After all, we're playing whole notes. Whole notes get 4 beats. They should last through the entire record. The most important thing right now is to make sure that we strum that chord on beat